Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2014 Mazda 3 touring sedan, stock reference number 5585. This shape runs from the 11th month 2013 through to the 2nd month 2019. It has a PE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. PE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We've got the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light. Left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left-hand tail light, left boot lid garnish. Boot lid appears to have no damage. Right-hand boot lid garnish, right-hand tail light, tidy rear bumper cover. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right-hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror does have some scratches on the outside of the case. And right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, command switches, climate control, heating controls, touchscreen display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.